If you want to automate your irrigation system, a Tempus controller kit has everything you need to get started. All you need to do is add a valve box. Let's take a look inside the Tempus DC 4 station controller kit. There are 4 Toro DC latching solenoid valves, 1 Tempus 4-station battery controller, 1 4-outlet PVC manifold, 4 nipples to connect the valves to the manifold, and gel connectors to connect the valves to the controller. To set up your controller kit, first check the flow arrow on the valve to see where to place the nipple. It should be on the inlet side. On average, you should get around 12 to 18 months out of your DC controller before you need to swap out the battery, but it will depend on how many programs you run and how often you run them. Thread the nipples onto the manifold and tighten it with pliers if needed. Repeat these steps for all the solenoids. If you aren't joining the manifold system to another manifold setup, use the end cap to make it watertight. And you're done. Now all you need to do is wire your controller.